The African Medical Center of Excellence, Abuja, is the first of its kind not just in Abuja but across Africa. All monitoring devices and organ support systems are located within the hospital's enclosed spaces. These spaces contain everything required for the proper functioning of the equipment. Provision has also been made for staff who will care for the patient as they can reside within the enclosed areas, which include nurses' stations and several units. It was further stated that 20 of these enclosed units have been replicated on the same floor.
All the monitoring devices and organ support in that enclosed space. Equipment for resuscitation and all we need to help the organs function optimally are all in that space. And then the staff who will be looking after the patient also stay in this space. And we also have the nurses station and several units. So we have 20 of this replicated on this floor for critically ill.
Equipped with some of the most advanced medical technology in West Africa, the facility boasts of cutting-edge sales team, laboratory and others. Mr. Diva, the CEO of the African Medical Center of Excellence, acknowledged that some of the treatments can be expensive. He emphasized that the hospital is not just focused on treating common ailments such as typhoid or malaria, but rather on serious health conditions.
Come and they have as good an experience as they possibly can given the conditions that they would come here for. They're going to go back out and talk about it. One of the things that we will be measuring is less about patient satisfaction, more about patient loyalty. What are they saying? Net promoter score is what we would use. What are they saying when they leave the facility? They're going to talk about how they felt when they were here, whether their needs were met, whether their questions were answered, whether they were treated with compassion and care. That's what we have to do to build the trust.
Mrs. Olurati Dohati, Director of Export Development at the African Export-Import Bank, said they decided to intervene by supporting the scaling up of high-quality regional healthcare facilities across the continent. She explained that in 2016, they invited 4 African countries, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, and Tanzania, to participate in establishing the first African Medical Center of Excellence, AMCE, with investment of $300 million investment from institutions including banks of industry and the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited. The hospital also developed in collaboration with the King's College Hospital, London. The CEO confirmed that the hospital will provide world-class services in areas such as cardiology, oncology, vascular care, and the general surgery.
We decided that we were going to intervene, supporting scaling up quality regional medical facilities across the continent, and we are going to do it across all the 5 key regions of the continent. In 2016, we invited 4 African countries to bid to host the first regional medical center of excellence that would support scaling up healthcare interventions, especially in non-communicable diseases. And Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Tanzania did bid to host the first African Medical Center of Excellence.
In a bid to ensure inclusivity, the hospital board has established a foundation to support low-income patients. Mr. Diva explained that subsidizing patient care is a primary mission of the hospital.
Even before we've seen the first patient, that foundation has attracted $75 million in donations. That does not count 3 areas that the foundation will cover. One is subsidizing patient care. That's the primary purpose of it. The second is to fund research. We will be doing a lot of research here on this campus. And then the last will be for capital, equipment, that sort of thing. When opportunities arise or new technology comes in, it'll help us fund new capital equipment.
Stakeholders describe the facility as more than just a hospital. It is a bold investment in the future of healthcare in Africa. The African Medical Center of Excellence officially opens up on June 5th in Abuja and is expected not only to raise the standard of care on the continent, but also to attract global attention and expertise to Nigeria. Faith Okesame reporting for BTV News.